Hello, this is a quick video to show how to un-precompose in After Effects. This is an animation we made before. We move an object, follow a path. If you want to see how to make it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I go back to 0 second and then we can select all the layers. We can press Ctrl A and then we can right click on the layers and choose Precompose. And then I will keep this setting and press OK. The layers are pre-composed. If you want to un-precompose, we can double click to go into the pre-compose and then press Ctrl A to select all the layers and then Ctrl C to copy the layers and then go back to the first composition and then I press Ctrl V to paste all the layers. Next, we can hidden the pre-composition one or we can delete the composition one. So this is how we can un-precompose in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.